up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. So you guys are probably like, why do you look tan? Why are you wearing a tank top? That is because I just got home from Florida last week and I'm tan. So here we are. And I'm sitting in like 20-degree weather. Well, not like outside, but like outside is 20 degrees. And I just wanted to feel like I was still on vacation. So I'm wearing this blue tank top to show off like my tan. And I'm just like so excited to be like tan because I wait all year for the summer just so I can sit by the pool every freaking day and just tan like my life away because I love being in the sun. I of course always use SPF, like I never not use SPF, but I just love being in the sun and stuff. So I'm so happy that I kind of have like something going on in like March, you know. All right, anyways, I'm gonna keep like, let me stop talking. All right, so today's video is going to be a Ulta haul. I did do this on TikTok, but there are a few things in here that I didn't talk about, and not all of you follow me on TikTok, so I wanted to do a video for YouTube so I could talk about all the stuff that I did get from Ulta. This like Ulta haul is like, or not Ulta haul, Ulta order. It's probably like 3 weeks old because I got this like a week before I went to Florida, I think, ish. And I went to Florida 2 weeks ago and I've been home for a week, so about 3 weeks. So some of the stuff I have used, like I am wearing it on my face right now. I actually did just film this look for you guys, and it's a whole like makeup technique thing that you guys will see probably after this video. But yeah, so let me just go ahead and stop rambling and let's jump in to this haul because I have a ton of good stuff to share with you guys. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and let's jump into the haul. Alright, first things first is this sponge. I don't have the box anymore because I threw it out, but I did use this today to conceal my under eyes. This is the e.l.f. Camel Concealer, I think, e.l.f. Camo Concealer sponge. I don't have the box, I do apologize, but it's just this little sponge. And if you guys watch my videos, you guys know that I swear by e.l.f. sponges. I think like for their price point and the quality of them, they are so worth it. Like, what is beauty blender anymore? I don't think you need to spend $20 on a sponge when you can literally go to Target and get an e.l.f. sponge. Oh my god, sorry, I'm itchy. You can get an e.l.f. sponge for $5, and I think they do a 10 times better job than beauty blenders. So I've really been enjoying the sponge. This is the blush that I'm wearing on my face right now. This is from e.l.f. Actually, TikTok made me do this one because I saw it all over TikTok, so I went ahead and purchased it. This is the e.l.f. Putty blush in the shade Tahiti. And I used it today for the first time, and I really actually like it a lot. It was super easy to use. I've never used a cream blush before. This was like my first time, and I really loved it. e.l.f.'s packaging is always so sleek and so beautiful. And then this is what the color looks like. It looks like it will be like kind of intense, and it kind of is, but once you go ahead and blend it out, you don't really get that like intense look anymore. So I really appreciate that. Next is a restock. This is the Morphe Luminous setting spray. I did bring this with me to Florida. That's why it looks like it's kind of used, but that's because I needed it because I was running very low. But I love this setting spray. If you're somebody that loves a glow and wants something that's gonna like lock in your makeup, this is it. It's like one of the best setting sprays ever. I love it. Okay, so up next is another restock. This is from Kylie Cosmetics. This is her translucent setting powder. It's pretty much my favorite setting powder like of life. I use it all the time, and it's like my go-to one, especially like when I'm going out or I need my makeup to look really good. I always use this one. This is what it looks like, and it's just such a good powder. I love it so much. Purchases for my trip to Florida. This is the OUAI Texturizing Hairspray. I love like putting this in my hair. Like once I finish like styling it or curling it, I'll just kind of like spray it around, and it like holds the curl or the style without actually like making it like crunchy and stuff. And then when you brush it out, it just looks like beautiful, and I notice a difference when I don't use this. So I've been like repurchasing this for like over a year now, and I needed a travel size, and this is just like the best like texture hairspray like ever. This I did purchase before Florida too, so that's why it looks a little used. This is the Wet n Wild Golden Flower Crown Highlighting Powder. Do you guys remember when these came out like 4 years ago? You could not get your hands on them like anywhere. I remember going to like random CVS's and trying to find them and not being able to find them, or like finding like one, but like of course it like wasn't my shade. So like these were just like all like the rave back in the day. And I saw this, I actually didn't get this in Ulta. I got this in Primark, and I don't know, I just saw it and I was like, I have to pick it up. And I've been using it pretty much every single day, and I love it. It's the highlight I'm wearing on my face right now. Gives such a beautiful glow, and it doesn't look like chalky or like anything like powdery, like weird like that. It just kind of looks like your skin is glowing, and you know me, I'm always here for a glow. Speaking of glow, this is another oldie but goodie. This is like another one that went like viral like 4 or 5 years ago. This is the Essence Pure Nude Highlighter. This is a beautiful baked natural highlight, and oh my god, I remember wearing this all the flipping time. I don't even know if it's gonna pick up on my hand. Probably not, but this is what it looks like. It's literally a $3 highlighter, and it gives you a beautiful, just like soft glow. It's not going to give you this type of glow like at all. That's going to be like more the Wet n Wild's one. This one is going to give you more of like a natural, just kind of like glowing from within type of glow, which I appreciate from time to time. And I just saw it and I was like, I need to pick this up again because I haven't used it in years, so had to pick it up. It would even be like a makeup haul if I wasn't restocking on the Beauty Blender Liquid Blender soap. This is the only soap that I use to clean my e.l.f. sponges, and it's really good. It doesn't dry them out, it doesn't rip them. Like, I can get probably 3 months out of my sponges because I use this, and I love this so much. It just it draws all of like the makeup and dirt out of your sponge, and I swear by it. I love it. So this is a lipstick from NYX. I haven't used it yet. This is in the shade A La Mode, and this is their packaging. Super cute. Love that. And then let me show you guys what this looks like. So it is pretty much just like a basic nude. It is more of like on the warmer side. Let me swatch it for you guys. So that's how it looks. Like I said, I have not used it yet, but I definitely think like as the summer months come, this is definitely going to be like a shade for me, so can't wait to use it. So this is from e.l.f. This is the Holy Hydration Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm. I am like such a sucker for cleansing balms. Whenever I see a brand come out with them, I'm always like, ooh, let me try that, let me try it, let me try it. So this one I did pick up, and somebody actually left me a comment on TikTok and was like, that is like the best makeup balm like thing ever. I love it. So I haven't used it yet, but I am really excited, and I just love e.l.f. because it's so friggin' affordable. Let me see if I can open this. Oh, I just totally ripped the box. That's fine, that's fine. So it comes with like a little scooper, which is cute. What it looks like, just looks like the other e.l.f. Skincare. I was like, what am I trying to say? But it has the same packaging as e.l.f. Skincare. So I haven't used it yet, but I am really, doesn't have a scent, which is nice, but I am really excited to try this out. Like I said, I love cleansing balms like so much. These I am so excited to try out. There's a funny story about these. I was actually going to purchase the Glamnetic magnetic lashes, but like the lashes and the liner was $30 each, so it was going to be $60, and I was like, oh, do I really want to spend $60 right now on magnetic lashes? So no. So I was looking at the other lashes, and these are the Ardell magnetic liner and lash. This is what they look like, and these were $13, but I guess they were like on sale or something because they rang up for $2. So I was like, wait, what? I was gonna spend $60 when I got these for $2. Like, I'm crazy. So I haven't tried them yet, but I am really excited to test these out. I really need to see if they are good, because I know that the Glamnetic ones, like, people rave about those and say how good they are. So I hope this is just as good, because this was $2. So oh, and I just dropped it. So up next is the foundation that I am wearing on my skin right now. This is another oldie but a goodie. This is like kind of like a throwback haul. Like, some of these things I used to use like back in like 2016, 2017. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow foundation. I saw a lot of people talking about this on TikTok, and I was like, I need to get back on that because I used to love this. This is, I remember one time I went to work and I worked like a 12 to 9:30, and then me and my boyfriend and a bunch of his friends like went to a bar that night in the city, and we didn't get home till like 3 a.m. and my foundation looked fire the whole freaking time. So I was like, I need to repurchase this because I need to like relive in that moment. So yeah, this is what I'm wearing right now on my face, and I freaking love it. It's not in here, and I thought it was. It's probably like in my drawer, but I did restock on the Colourpop Brow Boss brow pencil. Nothing new here. This is the same brow pencil I've been using for like 3 years at this point. If you're not on it, get on it. It's $6. It's affordable. It lasts long, and it just is effortless and gives you the most beautiful natural brows. So if you need an affordable brow pencil, go to Colourpop and get the Brow Boss. Please, it's so good. Another oldie but goodie. I told you guys this haul is like a throwback haul. This is from Catrice. This is the Dewy Prime and Fine Dewy Fixing Spray. Remember when this came out like 2 or 3 years ago? Everybody freaking like loved it. Yeah, I had to repurchase it because I was like, I need to just get back on like into it. Like, I used to love this. It kind of reminds me of the Morphe one. It is a little more dewier, and this is like $13, and I think this is like $6. So of course a little more affordable, but Yeah, perfect mister. I love the mister on this. It is more intense than the Morphe one. The Morphe one gives you like more of a fine mist, which I really appreciate. This is fine, but like harsh at the same time, if that makes sense. So love this. The last product that I picked up is from KKW. This is her perfume that she came out with for Valentine's Day. This is the rose gold one. The packaging is so beautiful. I am a sucker for Kim Kardashian perfumes. I just think that they are so good, and I feel like they're not talked about enough. I think maybe because it's from Kim Kardashian and people like for whatever reason just want to hate her, I feel like, in my opinion. So I don't know, but I think that her perfumes kill it, to be honest. There's a few of them where I'm like, like I cannot repurchase that, but these, I have the rose gold one and I have the gold one. The rose gold one is my favorite. It just smells it smells like fruity, but it kind of smells like mature, and it has like a strong scent, and this is long lasting. Like I wore it to work and I smelled it the entire day, so I really appreciate a long wearing perfume. Thank you. So that is everything that I purchased from Ulta. Like, it's not a lot, but it cost me a lot, so it feels like it's a lot more than what it is, you know what I mean? But yeah, so that is pretty much everything that I have for you guys in this video. Let me know down below if you guys have any of these products, if you use any of these like old highlights, if you love this foundation. Like, let me know all of your thoughts down below. And by the way, follow me on TikTok. It is my @DanielleBlends, my same as my YouTube name. Definitely follow me there because I do post a lot more there, just because it's easier to post there from time to time. So I do like a lot of videos on TikTok if you want to like know more about like my life and stuff and whatever. Yeah, follow me on TikTok. It's @DanielleBlends. But yeah, so that is all I have for you guys in this video. I really hope you guys did enjoy. Please do not forget to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and to subscribe, and I will hopefully catch you guys in my next video. Bye.